Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we're going to be removing tomato suckers. Tomato suckers are these branches and leaves that will grow in the crook between the main stem and the sun leaves. As you see here down at the bottom, we have suckers coming up from the main stem, so we're just going to pinch them off because we don't want them that close to the soil surface, and we don't want to have multiple main stems coming out of the tomatoes. So as you see, we're just pinching them off and making them go away so we get more tomatoes off the main stem.
Just as we have grown our garden with plants and seeds, we also need viewers like you to like and subscribe to grow our channel.
Thank you again for visiting Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden.